Hello everyone. So
Hi,
this is
myself
Madhusmita,
Rishdalwani.
and
I have
recently I've
completed
enrolled
my
with Unified Mentor
internship with
internship
Unified
program as
Mentor
a
as a
business
full stack
analyst.
web development
So over
intern.
this
It was a
past
great
three
learning
months,
experience.
I've
I
gained
got
hands-on
to work on
experience
the
in creating
projects like
interactive dashboards
weather
using
app, which
Tableau
uses
and
API
SQL.
integration, or student
And
teacher booking
the video
appointments,
playlist that
which
was
also uses
provided for our
Firebase and
training
Cloud Firestore.
was
I
very
had
helpful in
such a
understanding the
great time working on
core
this
SQL
project, which
concepts and
makes
statistics.
my knowledge or
And not
my
only that,
theoretical knowledge work into the
the project
practical ones.
scenarios that
It
was
improved
given
my
to us
skills in
was
HTML,
very
CSS,
much
JavaScript,
relevant to
and
the real
also
world
I happen to learn
applications.
new skills
So
like React,
I
Node,
am looking forward
and
to
Firebase as
apply
well.
these skills to
I had
my
such a great time.
next
Overall, the
job.
mentors
So
in Unified Mentor are
thank you
so
very much.
supportive. Any doubts can be solved if I
Yeah,
message them or call
hello
them in
everyone.
any
So
time,
this is
which
Madhusmita,
was a great thing which
and
makes
recently I've
every
enrolled
task
with Unified
easier.
Mentor internship
Thank you,
program as a
Unified
business
Mentor, for
analyst.
giving me this
So over
opportunity,
this
and I'll
past
recommend to
3
all the
months,
students to
I've
gain the
gained hands-on
work
experience in
experience
creating
and the
interactive
real life
dashboards using
experience to this.
Tableau and
Thank you.
SQL.